Hi guys, I thought it was about time that I post a hair curling tutorial here on YouTube. So I will show you a few examples of what my hair looks like this curled. Hopefully I can post a picture right here. And I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. We're gonna get into the hair curling tutorial, but I will tell you a secret about this hair tutorial is to take sections that slice all the way down your hair, such as this, rather than doing little bitty pieces of hair. It's really about the slices of your hair that go all the way down. You can still do them thin slices, but just make sure they kind of go all the way down to your hair. And then when you curl them, they're gonna create that nice wave that kind of all falls at the same place. So I already did this little curl, and we're gonna do this front piece. I'm always curling the front pieces away from my face. And actually for this whole curling tutorial, we are going to curl everything away from the face. So what I did right there, I'll walk you through it. So like I said, I'm taking a big chunk all the way down my hair. It can still be a thin piece though. And you're taking your curling iron with a clamp. I like a clamp specifically for this curling tutorial. And I'm taking it away from my face. Sometimes I have to kind of help the hair wrap around. And then once I finish that first curl, I'm going to release it with my curling iron and move it down and create the second. And then that's what it looks like. So let me demonstrate on another piece of hair. I like to make sure I get my hair all nice and smooth. And again, taking the hair away from the face, wrapping that first curl, and then releasing it. And then I make a second curl. And you can also release the second curl if you have super long hair. Most people won't need to do that. It'll just be the first curl. I'm gonna show you guys one more time on this side, and then I'm gonna switch to the next side. So I'm always holding the curling iron up, pulling it away. And then you can kind of pull it down, and that also just creates a more loose wave look. And then I don't brush these out or run my fingers through them until they're completely cooled. Okay, for this side, again, taking a chunk like all the way down. And this way is away from my face, so that's the way I will be curling it. There's the first curl, release it, and then make the second curl. That's kind of a thin piece. I'm gonna do a little bit thicker one. There we go. And again, away from the face. Release. I'm sorry if you guys can hear my washing machine too. I should have turned that off. Sometimes the hair is long enough, again, that you can release it a second time. And they just make really pretty wavy curls. So that's all it is. I'm going to quickly finish curling the rest of this hair and any little pieces that I missed, and I will show you the video of it all fully curled. Okay, now my hair is all completely curled. I curled it all the way from my face, and it looks like very tight curls right now. But I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna let the heat cool off and go walk around my house, probably grab a drink of water, And then once my curls are completely set, I will kind of comb through them. Now that my curls are all set and cooled off, I can run my fingers through them and comb through them. And you can see how this side is already flowing together. That's exactly what we want for these curls. And there we go, that side's flowing together as well. That is pretty much it. Those are the curls. Really pretty, loose, wavy curls. I hope you guys try this hair tutorial. I will link the hair curling iron that I have used for years below, and comment some recommendations of hair tutorials you guys want on YouTube. Thanks, see ya.